Well, good Sunday evening. I'm meteorologist Luke Doris. You probably have heard, but Tropical Depression 8 has been upgraded as of about 5 o'clock this evening. It is now Tropical Storm Gert, and it is centered at about 500 miles southwest of Bermuda. No landfall with this, no threat for South Florida, no threat for the United States. This is going to stay in open waters. It may strengthen to a strong tropical storm by Tuesday, especially Tuesday afternoon. At this point, not forecast to become a hurricane, but hot on its heels. Let's take you out to the west, just off the west coast of Africa. Now a 40% chance of tropical development with this disturbance as we go through the next 5 days. So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's take a peek at tomorrow. You can see a few isolated showers in the morning. The better shot will be in the afternoon, but I really think, again, on Monday, much like today, most of the rain is going to be in the interior. Otherwise, steamy, hot again to about 93 degrees, 92 on Tuesday, 93 on Wednesday. So it will be a scorcher to start the work week. Rain chances will be higher for Tuesday and Wednesday. Have a good evening.